What? Long Farms plus a chick. Should I hold it out?
I'm only looking at its butt right now.
Okay.
How do I pick it up?
Why do you put your hands around? Okay.
It's a chicken! Oh my god!
I hope it poops in her R.
She has to keep an eye on it at all times.
Sleeping.
It's the fat one.
Oh, Katie's such an idiot.
It's like those one bugs, like they keep just going and going. What are you doing?
Dogs on
Long Farm, so it's Tess, so it's Karen.
I forgot your name. I haven't even been on this one yet.
Oh, and she's
Hi.
Videotape yourself on it.
I just did.
Its eyes like have
Yeah, there's one over.
Eat it.
Chicken, yum! Oh my god.
We did have some chicken for dinner tonight.
Yes, we did.
Oh.
This is the future KFC right here. Oh, it has that shit on my hand! Ew, it just pooped on me! It just freaking pooped on me! Ew! My god! Ew! Ew!
Looks like skyline dip.
It does look, ew, what do I do?
Go wash your hands.
Ew.
Go wash your hands.
Ew, why did it do that?
Well,
You can stop taping now.